Welcome to Math Lesson. Today we will learn about commutative property of addition. Before we begin with our lesson, I want you to observe the following picture carefully. What can you observe on the picture? I want you to answer this question orally to yourself. The picture you observe is an example of the commutative property. So what is commutative property? It tells us that no matter the order in which you put the addends, you will always get the same result. The result of an addition is always the same. That is when you have to solve a problem. So what are addends? Addends are the numbers being added. For example, if we have 3 plus 5, 3 and 5 are the addends because they are the numbers being added. Now, let's look at an example on what is commutative property of addition. So, if we have 3 plus 5 equals 5 plus 3, the commutative property of addition tells us that if we add the addends on this side, we will get the same result when we add the addends on the other side. So let's find out if it's true. I want you to help me count how many fish we have on this side. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now let's count how many fish we have on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Did we get the same answer on both sides? Yes, right. We get the same answer. On both sides, we get 8. So we can see that what I mentioned before about commutative property of addition is true. No matter what order you put the addends, you will always get the same result, like on this example that we saw. We first have on one side 3 plus 5, and on the other side we first have 5, then 3. We have 5 plus 3, and when we add both sides we get the same answer. Now for our activity, we are going to match the problems from the left side to the right side to form the correct commutative property. For example, we have 14 plus 82. First, we have 14, then we have the number 82. And it is matched to 82 plus 14. So on the other side, we can see that we have 82 first and then 14. So if we are going to find the answer for each side, we are going to get the same result on both sides. So now you have to match the addends with the correct one from the left side to the ones on the right side. Now, for our concluding activity, you are going to draw and write the addition statement for the next side. So we have 3 plus 2.